Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how you can troubleshoot the issue. The laptop is not turning on, no power and no display on your laptop. So first you can also follow the steps in PC as well, but step will be different and some step may you can apply. So first of all what we have to do is remove all the external cables from your laptop. Like if you have connected mouse, USB or whichever peripheral devices you have connected, and once you remove all the external cables from your system, press and hold the power button for 30 seconds, and this will drain the socket arrays from motherboard. Press and hold the power button for just 30 seconds and then release it, and after that leave your system for 1 minute and then turn it on and see if that is able to fix the issue or not. Sometime due to the external peripheral devices, you may face the laptop is not turning on. So this is the step number one. You have to troubleshoot it. Now, if nothing works for you after that, you need to check if you have connected the laptop charger on your system properly and that is working properly or not. To see that, connect the charger from your this port, and once you connect it, see if nearby light is coming up when you connect the charger on your system. It may connected here like this. These are the sign of lights you can see there. And once you connect the charger, if see that is blinking, if that is blinking, that means that your charger is working fine, but only your laptop is not turning on. In that case, what you have to do is just shut down your laptop or system, and if you have removable battery on your system, let's say this is the removable battery I have, and you can remove it. This is the removable battery. Just remove it, and once you remove it, just keep it like this. Okay, and then directly connect the laptop with your power cord, I mean the charger. Just directly connect with your laptop with a charger and see if that is working or not. If that is working, that means that your this battery is dead. You have to replace it. But if that is still not working, then you can close it and you can plug back the battery from your system into your system. Now what you can do is, if you can remove the motherboard and SSD from here, okay, you have to do it. You can remove these screws from your system, and then I have already done that, and then you can just open it, and once you open it, if you have multiple RAMs in your system, 1 to 2 or maybe 4, just remove one by one, and once you remove one by one, you need to check which RAM is working properly on a system, and after which RAM the issue is got and your laptop is not turning on. So by this way you can identify the issue related to RAM. It may beep on your system, but you have to figure it out by this way, one by one, and just plug it back. And if you got the cause of the error, you can replace your that RAM simply. Now next step you can try is you can remove your SSD. Okay, and if you have external SSD, I mean the additional SSD, you can plug it back with your laptop and see if that is working for you or not. If that is still not working for you, that may be the reason that your motherboard is faulty, and you may have to replace your motherboard as well, since we have troubleshoot the issue battery, charger, RAM and hard drive. And sometime also you can connect the external cables, I mean the mouse, on your laptop and see if the mouse is working or not. If the mouse is working and no display on your laptop, that could be the reason that the display is itself is not working on your system. The motherboard is working, but the display is not working. So these are the steps, guys. You can fix and troubleshoot the issue. And I hope these solution and tips helped you to figure out the issue on your system. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.